PAILs and rails for knee flexion in a quadruped position. We're going to set up near a wall or a upright on a squat rack. I like to use a knee pad just for comfort because we're going to be pushing the knee and we want to have the limiting factor just be the contraction and the availability for capacity of force in that contraction rather than any sort of discomfort that may come from just being on the floor with your knee pushing at max effort. So we're going to set up almost like in a modified couch stretch, but we're going to have our hands on the floor. This is going to add stability as well as just have a point of contact where we're able to push the ground forward so that we can get some stability and able to push into the wall or the squat rack as hard as we can. So from here, I'm going to push my hips back, make sure that my knee is aligned with the upright or the wall. I'm going to push my hips back to get that full knee flexion that I'm looking for. Here is where I would hold my stretch. Once I've completed the stretch, I'm going to drive my foot into the squat rack or the wall. I'm essentially kicking here. That's going to be the PAILs contraction, getting the front tissue to squeeze. So the quadricep, you're going to feel a good amount of tension on the actual front of the knee. And then, so we're going to ramp that up for the PAILs, ramping up to the desired effort level. Hold that for the programmed amount of time, and then immediately after you're going to do the rails, trying to get your heel to your butt by squeezing the hamstring tissue as much as possible. That's going to be immediate to the level of effort that you're programmed, holding for the amount of time that is also on the program, and then you're going to repeat that for the amount of reps that are on the program.